Do you like bacon? I mean really like bacon. Then you're my kind of person. Now, before you go nuts on us for touting bacon, I don't suggest you eat it every day. And apparently, I'm not the only one who loves the divine swine. Every year, Americans eat more than 1.7 billion pounds of bacon. That's equivalent to the weight of 8.5 aircraft carriers. And just in case you're wondering, 53% of American households always have bacon in their fridge. As a matter of fact, recently when I was in New York City, I visited Bar Bacon, a pub that serves bacon everything. They have Bloody Marys where bacon stands proudly next to celery sticks, flights of bacon where you can try 4 different types of artistry bacon, and my favorite, chocolate-covered bacon served with bacon whipped cream. So in order to share our love of bacon, we came up with a decadent cracker candy topped with, you guessed it, bacon. This heavenly creation starts with saltine crackers that are topped with a homemade caramel sauce, finished with a layer of dark chocolate, and studded with crumbled bacon. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? To get our easy recipe for a bacon candy crack-up, simply go to our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an almost addictive way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Good.